Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Gitika Arya. So after a long time, finally I'm uploading a new video. I was occupied in some work so couldn't upload any video. And today's video is about bedroom makeover. And in this, I have tried to give it a princess theme. So if you are a newly wedded couple or if you are a girl and want some dreamy room, then this kind of decoration is apt for you. So without further ado, let's start the video. So this is the room which I'm going to decorate. It is having one blue wall which is in a very brighter shade and other blue walls as well but in a lighter shade, and the color is not very pleasant for eyes. It's really bright, so I've selected white, blue and little bit of pink color theme for the room. So firstly we hang these curtains with dark blue plain curtain, and alternately we hanged white curtain with the print of blue flowers. So the products which I use to decorate this room are from Myntra and Amazon, and I am giving all the links below in the description box so that you can buy all the products if you want. So I want to give the princess theme, so I decided to hang a bed canopy without drilling any nail, and for this I use these 3M Command plastic medium hooks, and these hooks come in different sizes according to the weight they carry, so you can buy them on Amazon. I am again giving the links down below. To stick these hooks, firstly you have to clear the area of the wall where you are going to stick these. These hooks come with double-sided sticky strips so that you can stick its one side on the back of the hook and the other side on the area of the wall where you want to hang your stuff. These hooks have two parts, so just by sliding, the upper part comes out and then you can strongly press the lower part of the hook on the wall and again add the hook part over it. So for bed canopy, I took one embroidery ring, one craft rope of white color and a white mosquito net with beautiful lace and frill detailing on its upper end. And again I got all of these from Amazon. Then I took inner circle of the embroidery ring and tied the craft rope on two opposite sides of the ring. And then I put this ring on the upper part of the mosquito net so that this gives sturdiness to this part and a proper circle can be maintained to have a good fall of the net. And it's ready to be hanged. And before hanging, I added some LED lights over it. I stick the LED lights around the circle by using the tape and hang some light along with the curtain so that it can give it a beautiful look. And then we hang the canopy over the hook. So we are having two mattresses below this canopy. So I am trying to arrange the canopy around the head part of the bed, and I decided to go for white bed sheet and then arrange the canopy around the head part of the bed. Then I added some pillows with white covers and some big cushions with cream shades and some printed cushions as well in the blue, little bit of pink and white shade. Then on the side wall, I stick these two hooks and hang these beautiful planters which I got from Amazon, and hang some artificial flowers in them, and they are giving a beautiful beachy look to the room. Then I added this rug on the foot side of the bed, again in the blue shade with some blue, pink and yellow tassels. Then I decided to go with the printed bedsheet instead of white because I think that will go more with the color theme of the room and will look more smart and decent. Then I added this artificial palm plant in a
basket and these two bird cages with some floral lights in it. To add some books and showpieces, I ordered a white rack from Amazon and we assembled it at home. It came with the nails and all the instructions about how to assemble it, and it was quite easy and fun at the same time. Then I added this rack on the side wall of the room and added some books and some showpieces and a lamp over it. And I tried to add the colors according to the room theme, like I added more of a white and lighter shades so that it can go with the theme, and added some books which I usually like to read. Then I added some LED lights on both sides of the net. On the opposite side of bed, we have this divan cum bed. So I added this divan cover set with white base and blue flowers in it, and it's having bolster covers also and the cushion covers also, and it is going well with the theme. And now the time for final reveal of the room.
So guys, I hope you like this video. I have given the links of all the products which I used in this video so that you can also buy these products and have a beautiful dreamy room. And I will come again with more such videos. So please share, comment, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will come again. Till then, bye.